Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. Welcome to AISQbusiness. Today we are going to talk about why creating social media profiles and connecting them to an automated publishing platform is important. Using an automated publishing platforms allows you to plan and schedule posts in advance, ensuring consistency without constant manual effort. So it helps you establish your online presence. Social media platforms are often where potential visitors first interact with your brand. Having active profiles ensure your audience can find and engage with you on their preferred platforms, making your brand more accessible and credible. It drives traffic to your website. Social media serves as a direct channel to share your website's content, such as blog posts, products, or services, driving visitors to your site. It boosts SEO and brand visibility. While social media activity doesn't directly influence search rankings, social signals like shares, comments, and so on improves your brand's online visibility. Consistent activity on social platforms make your brand more recognizable, which can lead to more branded searches and backlinks to your website. It builds trust and engagement. Social media profiles with consistent valuable posts show that your business is active and committed to engaging with its audience. This trust can translate into repeated visits and referrals to your website. And so much more. Like social media platforms rewards regular consistent posting by showing your content to more users through their algorithms. Social media lets you repurpose websites' content, for example, turning a blog post into a series of tips, infographics, or videos, to reach your audience in different ways. And automation ensures your presence on social media even when you're focused on other aspects of growing your website. So in order to connect our social media profiles to an automated publishing platforms, we are going to go inside our Squirrly Social account. So in case you forgot how to log into your Squirrly Social account, go to your website, write your website URL over here /AISQ to log in inside your WordPress dashboard. Use your account admin username over here, the password as well, and prove your humanity. Log in. Go over here to pages and search for the secret one. Secret over here. Click on preview and scroll. And over here you have how to log into your Squirrly Social. Over here you have your username and over here you have your passwords. Let's click on this URL over here. Let's use our username and our password over here and let's click on login. We have to go over here on manage social profiles. As you can see over here, we do not have any social media profile over here. For this particular website, I also don't have any social media profiles created. So let me do that first. I'm going to create a Facebook page, an Instagram account, and an X account. So let's do that really fast. Okay, so I've just created an Instagram account over here, a Facebook page over here, and an X account over here. In order to add our social media profiles to Squirrly Social, we have to have a business Instagram account. So let's go back to Instagram to edit profile and transform it to a business one. To edit profile, we scroll a bit, we click over here to account type and tools, and we click over here to switch to professional account. We are going to choose a business account and click on next. We are a podcast, click on done and continue. Okay, and done. So we'll have to go over here to add a social media profile. We are going to have to go to Instagram business page. And then we have to select one from over here. Because Meta is pretty weird, or for me at least it's hard to understand it, I do not see my Instagram page over here. So I'm going to click not now. And I'm going to go back to Instagram over here, and I'm going to go over here to account centers to Meta, because I think I have to connect the two, the Instagram account to the Facebook account. It's pretty weird, but it is what it is. So connect experiences, And let's click on login with account, maybe add the Facebook account. Let's see. Okay. So I can log in into 5 accounts, and I'm seeing the marketing education podcast over here. So that's good. Okay, I somehow connected the Facebook page with the Instagram account. Okay, so now if we are going back to Squirrly Social to add the social media profile and Instagram business account, Meta should allow us to add our account. So let's search for it. Yes, you can see it over here. So it's basically, it is a bit difficult, but it's not our fault. It's not Squirrly Social fault. It is actually the Meta's fault, because it's pretty hard or at least for me, it's pretty hard to understand how to make the connections, because you do have to have an Instagram business account and also a Facebook page, and then to manage to connect the two of them, and then you are going to be able to see it over here. But you saw that in a few minutes I did figure it out. Maybe for you it's easier, maybe you're using Meta more often than I do, and then it's not going to be so complicated. So now we are going to click on this one over here. We are going to click on continue over here. We are going to select the page as well. We are going to click on continue. We are going to select this one as well. We are going to click on continue, and we are going to click on save. And we are going to click on got it. And we can see it over here, the Instagram business page and the Facebook page over here. So let's connect our X profile as well. So add a social media profile. We are going to go over here to Twitter. We are going to authorize app. As you can see over here, we are connected to the right account, authorize app. And we can see the Twitter account over here. You can also add a TikTok account, a LinkedIn person, LinkedIn page, and a YouTube account. If we're going to post group, we do have a few posts that have been made with Next Level Marketing AI. So we can simply go over here to schedule. First, we have to go over here to profiles and repetition to choose the profile we are going to send to all of our profiles just for a test. Okay, we're going to send the only ones. You can choose if you want the default status as draft or as approved. I'm going to set it as approved. Click on save, and then we have to go over here to schedule in order to choose when we want our post to go. So I'm going to select all of those and add a time that is relevant right now so we can make a test. I'm going to go more in depth about Squirrly Social in a different video, but this is just so you know that everything is working and everything is fine. So I'm going to save this. Okay, this should be fine for Twitter as well. So we are going to have to wait a minute, and then we're going to be able to see the post in our Facebook page, in our Instagram post, and in our X account. Until we are waiting, this is basically a way to have categories over here, and you can create multiple posts over here, and you don't have to worry about them. They are going to be sent to the profiles you're choosing over here, to the date you're choosing over here, and the hours you're choosing over here. So basically you are going to make the settings over here. You can create different categories over here, and the posts that you're going to create inside Next Level Marketing AI are going to get in those categories over here. If you want to create a post that goes right now, you can go either to calendar and click on post over here, or by clicking over here on create new post, and you're going to write your text over here, image over here. You can send it now, or you can schedule it like so. And of course you can choose the profiles you want to send the post to. But I think the post has been sent, so let's check it. Let's go back to post group, where the categories, actually don't have a finished posting, which is a bit weird, because I think the time zone is the problem, because I chose a time that is relevant to me where I am right now, and I think the time zone for this particular account is not the same. Yes, as you can see over here, the time zone is actually in America, and me personally right now I'm in Romania. Let's do the test a bit different. Let's go back to post groups. Let's take one of these. Let's go to edit and copy this text over here. Okay, and go to over here to create post. I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to choose all of those. I'm going to add an image. I'm going to add my logo. Okay, I'm going to use it in post, as you can see right here, and I'm going to send now. So I'm basically sending to my Facebook page, to my Instagram account, and to my X account, and I'm basically sending it now. So let's send it. And we can see it over here in calendar, and that is pending. Okay, so the post has been sent. So let's go to our Facebook. You can see the post over here. Let's go to our Instagram account. Let's refresh the page. We can see the post over here, and let's go to our X account. Let's refresh this page as well. And we can see the post over here. So as you can see, the Squirrly Social works, and it is easy to connect your social media profiles over here. The only difficult part is making the accounts and connecting the Instagram account with the Facebook account, but that's not our fault, that's Meta's fault. Okay, so let's see how we can change this time zone over here. We are going to go over here to our user, click on it, then account settings, then over here to brands, and then we have to click over here on this wheel. And we can see that we can change the time zone from over here. Simply clicking on it, we have multiple time zones for us to choose from. When we have changed the time zone to one that we want, like so, we simply have to click on update. And now, if we are going to calendar, the time zone has changed. So now, if we are going back to post groups and change our time from over here from schedule to a time that is relevant to us right now, and click on save. If we are waiting a little bit, one of those posts, the first post, is going to move to finish sending. So we just have to wait a little bit, and we can see over here that one of our posts has finished sending. So let's check it. We can see it over here. We can see it over here. And it did not went on Instagram because it didn't have an image. So let's change that. If I'm going back over here to approve, and over here to edit, and over here to add a new image, and choosing a new image and using post, and then click on update, and let's change the hour again over here to schedule, and click on save. We can see over here that 2 posts have finished sending. So we can see the post over here. If I'm going to Facebook and refresh, I can see the post over here. If I'm going to Instagram and refresh, I can see the post over here. If I'm going to X and refresh, I can see the post over here. So we know that it is working. So thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.